What if I told you that right in the heart of Nigeria lies an automotive powerhouse capable of competing with the biggest names in the industry? A company that designs and manufactures vehicles built to last, tailored to conquer the rugged terrain of Africa, while offering world-class quality and innovation. Welcome to Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing, IVM, Nigeria's first indigenous vehicle manufacturer and a beacon of African excellence in the global auto industry. Today, we're taking you inside the Innoson factory, exploring what makes their vehicles so resilient, and why both Nigerians and people around the world should drive an Innoson. If you've ever wondered whether Africa can stand tall in the automotive space, this is the story you need to hear. Let's discover why Innoson vehicles aren't just cars, they're a movement. The birth of a Nigerian auto giant. It all started with a vision. Innocent Ifedioso Chukwuma, the founder of Innoson Group, saw an opportunity to create vehicles that catered to the unique needs of Nigerians. Instead of relying on imported cars that weren't built for African roads, he dreamed of a homegrown solution. In 2007, that vision became a reality. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing, IVM, was established in Nui, Anambra State, a town known for its vibrant entrepreneurial spirit. From day one, the goal was clear: produce affordable, durable, and high-quality vehicles for Nigerians, by Nigerians. Today, that dream has blossomed into a factory spanning thousands of square meters, with state-of-the-art machinery, skilled local talent, and a production capacity that keeps growing year after year. Innoson isn't just making cars, they're making history. If you've driven on Nigerian roads, you know they can be unforgiving. Potholes, uneven terrain, and unpredictable conditions can wear a car down faster than you'd imagine. That's why Innoson vehicles are designed with extra durability in mind. From rugged SUVs to commercial buses, each vehicle is built to withstand the elements. Reinforced chassis, high ground clearance, and heavy-duty suspension systems ensure Innoson vehicles can handle the toughest environments, whether it's a muddy village path or a bustling Lagos expressway. And it's not just about toughness. Innoson incorporates advanced safety features, fuel-efficient engines, and modern design aesthetics. You get strength and style, all in one package. Imagine driving a vehicle that feels like it was made just for you. Because with Innoson, it was. Why Nigerians should choose Innoson. Choosing an Innoson vehicle isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in Nigeria's future. Here's why every Nigerian should consider buying an Innoson. 1. Supporting local industry. When you buy an Innoson vehicle, you support Nigerian jobs, families, and economic growth. The company employs thousands of Nigerians across its manufacturing plants, supply chains, and dealerships, creating opportunities that ripple across communities. 2. Affordability without compromise. Innoson vehicles are up to 60% cheaper than many imported alternatives, thanks to localized production. You get a robust, feature-packed car without breaking the bank. 3. Easy maintenance and spare parts. Forget waiting months for imported parts. Innoson produces most of its components locally, meaning spare parts are affordable and readily available. Maintenance becomes simpler, faster, and more cost-effective. 4. Customization for local needs. Whether you're a farmer needing a reliable pickup, a business owner transporting goods, or a city dweller looking for a sleek sedan, Innoson has a vehicle tailored for you. And because the company understands local conditions, each car is fine-tuned to handle them flawlessly. By choosing Innoson, Nigerians don't just buy a car, they buy into a vision of national progress. Why the Innoson might be proudly Nigerian, but its vehicles are built for global roads. Here's why international buyers should seriously consider adding an Innoson to their fleet. 1. World-class quality standards. Innoson follows strict quality control measures, ensuring that every vehicle meets international safety and performance standards. They source materials from trusted global suppliers while blending in local ingenuity to create a product that competes on a global scale. 2. Unmatched durability. For regions with tough terrains, whether it's the deserts of the Middle East or the mountains of South America, Innoson vehicles are a game changer. Built to thrive in harsh conditions, these cars outlast many competitors in endurance tests. 3. Cost-effective for fleet operations. For logistics companies, public transport systems, or humanitarian organizations operating in rugged areas, Innoson's affordability and ease of maintenance make them a smart long-term investment. You get reliable, long-lasting vehicles that reduce total ownership costs. 4. A symbol of Global South empowerment. Driving an Innoson isn't just about utility, it's a statement. It's a recognition of African innovation and an embrace of emerging market solutions. It's a way for global buyers to support the rise of new manufacturing hubs outside traditional power centers. Innoson vehicles aren't just made for Nigeria, they're made for the world. Can a Nigerian car company truly rival the likes of Toyota, Ford, or Volkswagen? The answer is a resounding yes. Innoson's approach combines the best of both worlds, the reliability and technology of global brands, fused with a deep understanding of local needs. The company constantly innovates, from exploring electric vehicle technology to integrating smart infotainment systems, keeping pace with industry trends. And with the cost advantages of local production, Innoson can offer better value for money than many international brands, making them an irresistible choice for savvy buyers. Innoson isn't just catching up to the global giants. They're racing ahead. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more info like this.